Hi guys! Magandang araw! If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make 4 different types of Sawsawan. Sawsawan means dipping sauces in Filipino language. And these 4 different Sawsawan or dipping sauces are the must-haves on Filipino tables. So make sure you tune in and watch the rest of the video. The 4 sauces I'm going to show you are Pinakurat, spiced vinegar, mango and chili sauce, and some palapa. So don't worry if you don't know what most of those are or any of them, because I'm going to explain it as I go along. So let's make some sauces! Yay!
Barbecue season means a lot of delicious foods and sun. Condiments are a big part of Filipino food. A simple soy and vinegar is common, but there are many that is unknown. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. These sauces will add some oomph to your dishes, I'm telling you. These sauces are very versatile. You can even use them as marinades too. They're fantastic with any barbecues. It's amazing with fried food and steamed dishes. They're a keeper. You can use pestle and mortar for this recipe. If you don't have one, food processor is also good to use. You'll need some empty bottles or jars. I use recycled one for mine. Let's begin! Pinakurat is made with spices and coconut sap known as tuba. The word kurat is surprise in Visayan language. Uy! Ikuratan ka do! Using a pestle and mortar or food processor, add ginger, onions, garlic, chillies, whole black pepper. Pound them until you get a paste consistency, just like this. Or you can use a food processor because I got tired of pounding it. So now in a jar, add the vinegar. I use coconut vinegar. Add fish sauce, salt, the spice paste into the jar that you blitzed earlier. Give it a good mix and put the lid on. I changed the jar into the bottle instead for easy pouring, and that is Pinakurat. This mango and chili sauce is my little creation. It pays tribute to our Philippine mangoes, and I love adding this to my barbecue marinades too. In a food processor, add mangoes, onions, garlic, ginger, chilies, some sugar, salt, and some water. Blitz them until you get a paste texture. I got tired with pounding, so I'm using this now. Pour the mango mixture into a pot. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes. Pour the mango mixture in a jar. Leave it to cool on one side before putting it in the fridge. Okay, Pinoy joke. Persuading. This month will be my persuading anniversary. Alright, next on our sauce list is the spiced vinegar. This sauce shares similar ingredients with Pinakurat, but without the fish sauce. This sauce is great with many Filipino dishes and an all-rounder. Now in a jar, add vinegar, ginger, this is optional, onions, some garlic, some chilies, some ground pepper, and salt. Give this a good mix. Put the lid on and shake before using. Shaky, 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 like that. Next is palapa. Palapa is a Maranao condiment. The Maranao tribe are known as people of the lake. Palapa is made with native scallion called sakurab. I use spring onions as an alternative. In a food processor, add spring onions, ginger, garlic, chillies, and salt. Add water if you're using a food processor. Don't add if you're not. Blitz the mixture until they turn into a paste consistency. In a pan, add some oil and saute the palapa for 10 minutes. You can also serve this fresh. I cook the palapa to keep it for longer in the fridge. You can serve both fresh and cooked as well. Now add it in a jar and keep it on one side to cool down before you put it in the fridge. That's the palapa. Now over to me and a guest for the most important part of the cooking video, which is tasting. Yes!
Alright guys, so the last thing and the best thing ever to do in this cooking video is the tasting part. So I made some grilled pork. So we're going to use that to try these sauces. And some lumpia or spring rolls. And some lechon kawali. Still crispy. So I've got a small guest who's going to help me taste the sauces with me. So let's welcome Miss E. Come on, Miss E. Yay! Okay. I'm going to try with it lechon kawali. I'm going to go for the pinakurat. This one's a little bit spicy, Miss E, okay? So, Whoa.
That's nice, that's nice.
You like this? You can taste the garlic, the ginger, the onions. It's a little bit spicy, but not too spicy, which I love. Can't handle my heat. That's good, that's good. Now, try the palapa. This is the spring onion and ginger and garlic and a bit of chili.
Do all of them have chili?
They all have chili in it, but I didn't make them too spicy because I know you're not into it. Try the mango.
The mango
Mango and chili.
and chili.
That's so good. It's so refreshing.
Whoa.
All of them.
That was a good one.
We'll try it with a spring roll now.
Lemon, vinegar.
This one's just spiced vinegar. Doesn't have. This one has fish sauce. This doesn't have fish sauce.
Oh, that one.
It's very nice actually. I like the heat in all of them. It's not very, very spicy, but there is a punch in the end. Very nice. Which one's your favorite?
This one.
This one. She approved with my pinakurat.
And this one.
And the spiced vinegar. What did you think of the mango and chili sauce and the spring onion and ginger sauce?
I found this one really different because I haven't had that before.
The mango?
Yeah. With chili.
I've made it before. Do you remember? Okay.
That one's really nice.
I love all of them.
Yeah, that one's nice.
But your favorite is the pinakurat.
And this one. Yeah. That one's so lovely.
All the vinegar-based
Yeah,
dips.
they're nice.
We totally got carried away in eating. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like, and press that bell for notification. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, paalam. Bye.
Oh my god, you're gonna drop the camera.